Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to use the traditional timeline editor in Descript. Ladies and gentlemen, in Descript, the timeline editor is not the primary editor. There's a few different ways of editing. So what we're going to do first of all is we are going to adjust our layout. So over here, you can actually see that if you put your cursor on this dividing line, you can change what it looks like. Okay, so let's open up this all the way. Okay. And here at the bottom, you can see this little line. And when you put your cursor there, there's an arrow, click down. Okay, there we got a timeline. Right, now zoom in a little bit over here on our timeline. And now, wherever you click, this will be where your captions are. And this is where you can edit. Now, if you click on any one of these clips on the left-hand side, you will see the transcription. And wherever it is that you'd like to make changes, go ahead, click on those changes, and now you can see there are some tools over here. So we can split, say for example this one over here. Let's say we want to click on layout. You can see that there are a bunch of different layouts, and let's close this. We can also go over here to the right hand side, click on elements. Here we can add in elements. We can add in text, some basic shapes. We can also add or edit our captions here. We can add in media. As you can see, we go all the way to the left here. Now let's just open this up slightly. You'll see that there are different clips such as the media here. And this is basically how you will be able to edit each one of these sections over here on your timeline.